Good afternoon, Fort Daniel Hawks. We hope everyone had a terrific Tuesday here at the Fort. Our joke of the day today comes from Claire in Miss Benfield's third grade class. Why did the gym close down?
Because it just didn't seem to work out.
My name is Dr. Barbara Tucker. I'm the very proud principal of Fort Daniel Elementary School. I said yes to GCPS because there's great opportunity in GCPS. Our school district cares about our teachers, our students, and our families.
Our leadership has a focus in mind that drives us to be better than we were before. And they have all the support you could possibly ever need. Our leadership here at Fort Daniel does a great job of putting in the support we need to be successful.
Employee engagement is super important because we know that our teachers work super hard. So anything that we can do to make them feel good about what they do, we do it.
It's just really fun to work here. Today happens to be one of our staff SEL days. And
it's actually a staff meeting, but in place of a meeting, our teachers actually had an opportunity to choose from 4 different activities.
If you're participating in fun with robots, go get your coding on in the STEM room.
They could do art.
Here you can make whatever kind of random freeform shapes that you want.
They could do Zumba. They could have a track party outside on our track. So they have different activities that they've signed up for. We look forward to having a lot of fun at our SEL staff meeting.
This is better than a staff meeting!
we get to kind of engage with other peers and just kind of relax, have that social emotional learning for ourselves.
We have the opportunity to learn from each other through demo days, live demos. And so we're always pouring into each other.
The support and the engagement that comes from Fort Daniel and Gwinnett County keeps you excited about your job. It gives you something else to look forward to.
If you're happy at work, you're going to want to come to work. And if you want to come to work, you're going to do a better job. So employee engagement is really important.
It's something that's not added to, it's just simply embedded in the work that we do. And that's so important. And so every day is a growing day for us.
We just feel really valued.
It's so important to just pour into us so that we can pour into our students even more.